Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your email address on Shipt. If you don't have a Shipt account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu of this page, you will see a section for Account. Beside it, you will see a drop-down arrow. Click on drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Profile. At the top right side of this page, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Then a pop-up window will appear. On the field provided, remove your current email. After that, enter the new email you wish to use. Lastly, click on the Save button. That's how you change your email address on Shipt. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.